This ABS pipe changes on ATV Plow rides. Let me show you. Ice is harder than gravel. Steel on ice has no forgiveness. This is where you start to see plows chattering and bouncing, and where driveway damage occurs, even if you can't see it yet. Most people respond by adding speed or throttle. That actually makes the problem worse. I didn't change the ATV. I didn't upgrade the plow. I added a pipe. This lifts the steel edge just enough so it glides instead of catching. We've got a nice 5-foot long ABS pipe. It's 2 inches in diameter and a good old mallet.
Same ice, same plow, completely different feel. If it glides over ice now, it won't dig when the gravel shows later. This is about prevention, not perfection.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found value in it. Please like and subscribe for more amazing content that we have planned coming out. If you want to go deeper into this topic, watch this video called Mastering Driveway Plowing with Your ATV, where we break down setup and mistakes that happen only after a few winters. Until next one, see ya.